Come to my Leetcode section. Okay, so this 2A7 called find duplicate number. So basically use the array contains n plus 1 and from 1 to n. Then at least one duplicate element must exist. So we need to find a duplicate one. So for example, you start from 1 and you find 2 occur twice. So the answer is 2, and the 3 occur twice, which is 3. Or you cannot modify the array, and you only have one constant or 1, and your run complexity should be less than O(n squared). That's it. Okay, so what I did is very stupid way, but basically I start from 1 and then I count how many times 1, how many 1 in the list. Then I start from 2. So in this case that I only have one. I only use one extra space. Okay, so for y in numbers, then if y in numbers, I count 1. And if I find some number which is if I find a count for some element is larger than 1, then I just return. And I keep adding my original I. So I from 1 to 2 to 3. Okay, so this is the first way to solve it. And I mean, it's very slow, but you can still solve the problem. And maybe in the next or other videos, I will provide a much faster way to solve it. But this is the straightforward way. And since I guess we satisfied least one, and we satisfy least one. But the problem is my runtime complexity. Well, it's not n squared. I guess it's n to the it's n squared, because for each element, I need to check n. So there are n of them. So the total runtime is n times n. So it's n squared. So this method is stupid, but satisfies 3 properties. Okay, and I will see you guys in next videos.